How to log in into Woolworths Group's employee portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Woolworths employee login account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and simply search for Woolworths employee login. After you search for that, you'll find the website by Woolworths. So you can simply head over to this website. Now, if you're an employee of Woolworths, you will also be provided with a link to your login page by your HR as well. So you can directly ask them for the login URL as well. After you open up the URL, you'll get an option to type in your username and then your password. So simply type in your username and then your password. Then tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.